Hi, it's time for trucks. Today I'm above the M62 near Rochdale. Let's see what trucks we can spot. Look at that bad boy. BM Transport. That's a tidy scan, yeah? We got a flash. Just doing a nice bit of truck spotting and then this lot shows up. What are they doing? Scan you with a tractor on the back. Yeah. Tones from the tractor carrier. Look at her. Wow. It's got an army truck on the back, look. That is mint. Wow, look at that. Sid Hill, beautiful. Oh. Is that Sid Hill? It is a Sid Hill, look at that. That is cool. STGO Cat 2 as well. Look at the trailer on that. Rollers, MAN. Oh yeah. Woods recovery. That is a Sharps Logistics. Might just about be able to get it behind this MAN here, look. Look at that, that is nice. Look at the lights on that. Ah! That is looking nice. Yes. Yes, the flag. Yes, the Volvo. Get those lights going, lad. Brilliant. Look at you, that is smart. There's a Conway. Look at you. That's smart. Very nice looking truck. Another STGO Cat 3, that one. Oh, it's a heavy one. Unimog's going for it. Yes, lad. That is a tidy Volvo. Look at that beast. That is smart. Over at Croft. Nice Volvo with a bull bar on. Askin Tanker, it's cool. That was quite a tidy Scania. Richard King. Yeah, look at that, some more BM Transport Renaults. Hey! A bit more of an unusual truck spot today. We've got people throwing cones out on the road. That's interesting. Nice, man. That is looking very nice with this sunset. Look at that. Hirsch Brothers. Go on then, lad, send it. Yes, Lily.